We are drawing a lesser bush baby today. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks to draw again. It's raining, we're under flood warnings and all kinds of stuff. So another good day to sit inside and do a little drawing. I remember seeing my first picture of a bush baby. It was probably on a wildlife show. No, it was actually in a magazine when I was younger, and thought they were just the weirdest looking little critters. If you don't look carefully, the pictures don't do them justice on just how small they are. Most bush babies are only about 5 to 7 inches long, not counting the tail, and weigh less than a pound, which I found pretty curious. They look bigger than that in the pictures that I've seen, and I don't know, they were just it was an interesting fact that I was looking up when I was researching the little guys. They're nocturnal, so they do most of their exploring, hunting, and playing at night, and their long bushy tails help balance them in the trees as they leap from branch to branch, jumping around looking for food and or playing, I guess. That means this is a night scene, and I did of course, stars and the moon. Here I'm working on the bottom, and I decided on this one to go ahead and throw them into a tree and attempt that, and it came out pretty good. Trying to get the arms right and get the tail wrapped around to make it look natural. I had to combine pictures of 2 or 3 or 4 bush babies to get it right. I wasn't satisfied with any of the live shots that I was looking at, and so I just did a little combo of all of them. So whatever you're drawing, don't just rely on one picture if you're using reference photos. Look at multiple, and maybe take the arms from one, the tail from another, the tree from another, and merge them all together into one drawing. The ears came together pretty easily this time. The eyes did too. I don't know if I got them quite big enough for a bush baby eyes, but it still looks cute. And I did like the limbs and the way I got the little guy sitting on it. So the tail, I think, was the last part. And this one took about 31 minutes to do. So if you're enjoying what I'm doing, like and subscribe, leave some comments, and follow me along. This coloring book will be out soon. I got 2 others out on Amazon. Links are in the description. There's my final drawing. Have a great day.